Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about how to find the number of sigma bonds and pi bonds in the given organic compound. Along with, we are discussed about the hybridization, how to assign the type of hybridization of each carbon in the given compound. In this class, we are going to be discussing about the structural representation of the organic compound. Structural representation of the organic compound. That is, organic compounds are represented by in the different ways. Represented into the different ways. It is a structural representation of organic compounds. Structural representation of the organic compound. How to represent? The structural representation of the organic compounds are going to be done in the different ways. That is the first one. That is the electron dot formula. Electron dot formula. Second one is that is the electron dot formula, condensed formula. Then third one is that is the bond line representation. Bond line representation. Bond line representation. In this, we will discuss now electron dot formula. How to represent the given compound in the electron dot formula method. Means in this, the valence electrons of the atoms are represented by the dots. Suppose we take one example. We are going to be discussing now is electron dot formula. In this, the valence electrons in the particular atom in a compound are represented by the dots. If you are going to be taken this example, one example. Suppose we are going to be taken as a methane as an example. Means the methane consisting of that is carbon and the hydrogen. Here the carbon we are going to be written at the center and the 4 hydrogen atoms is going to be surrounding this carbon. Okay, this is about the what are the atoms present in that compound we are written. Now we should represent the valence electrons. Number of valence electrons in the carbon is 4. That we are going to be written by using the dots. That is going to be using the dots. Okay. Number of valence electrons in the hydrogen atom is 1. Each hydrogen atom consisting of 1 valence electron. That valence electron we are going to be representing here. Means this is about the electron dot formula of the methane. Methane ke electron dot formula itara barithili. Adhe ethane ge molecular formula ethane ge C2H6. Here 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms are there. Then this we are going to be taken as that is a carbon. Each carbon is going to be surrounded by the 3 hydrogen atoms. Then here 1 valence each carbon is having the 4 valence electrons that we are going to be written first. That is going to be written first. Each carbon having the 4 valence electron. Then each hydrogen having 1 valence electron that we are going to be written then it's going to be, instead of this one electron from this carbon, another electron from this carbon, then it is going to be representing that is electron dot formula for the ethane. Means ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಿಂಬಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಡಾಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. This about the electron dot formula. This the pair of electrons, a pair of electrons, it gives the covalent bond. Means that is it's having the one. It's going to be represented by the dash. It's going to be represented by the dash. If it is consisting of the single dash, it's having a single dash, that we call it as a, that is a single bond. Single bond anta karithivi. Single bond anta karithivi. If it's having that the double dash, at that time we are going to be called as a double bond. Suppose it's having the triple bond, that is triple dash ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ one dash is going to be represent that pair of electrons. ಈ pair of electrons ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Means ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು is having a pair of electrons. If it is a presence of the two dash, ಎರಡು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ two pair of electrons are present. If it is having the three dashes, that means it's having the three pair of electrons. Each pair of electrons represent one bond. Each pair of electrons is going to represent one bond. This is about the single bond. Means here what it says, that is single dash represents the single bond. Single bond. Then that is a double dash is going to be represents the double bond. Double bond. Then three dashes. It's having the three dashes means that we call it as a triple bond. That we call it as a triple bond. Then this now we are going to be discussing about the complete structure. How to write the complete structure by using these dashes. By using the dashes. In this, if you are going to be taken that one, we will take a few examples. If you are going to take a few examples, that is, we'll take the same example. Ethane. Ethane, we are going to be taken. The molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. That is, we know that the two carbons are there. Two carbons are there. In between these two carbons, a pair of electrons are there. Pair of electrons are there. That we are going to be represented by single dash. Then each hydrogen atom attached to the carbon is having a pair of electrons that is going to be represented by the single bond. This is about the complete structure of the compound. ಇದನ್ನ complete structure of the compound ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Sometimes it's the hetero atoms present attached to this compound. At that time, the lone pair of electrons may not be mentioned. May not be mentioned. If you are going to be taking some other example, we'll take some other example. Methanol. The formula is, molecular formula is CH3OH. This is the molecular formula of methanol. This we are going to be represented by, there is a hetero atom here, oxygen atom. Here we are not going to be mentioned the lone pair of electrons. Only we are bond pair only we are going to be representing the complete structure. There is a carbon. This carbon is attached to the three hydrogen atoms, and this carbon is attached to the oxygen. Then oxygen is going to be attached to the hydrogen. This is about the complete structure of the methanol. Means here, suppose if you are going to take some other example, we will take that instead of ethene, we will take that ethene. Ethene. The molecular formula of ethene is C2H4. C2H4. Yeah, the carbon is going to be having that the double bond, and the remaining hydrogens is going to be represented by attached by the single bonds. This is about the complete structure of the ethene. Means here electron, each one dash is going to be represented a pair of electrons. That is a covalent bond. Next, we are going to be discussing about the second type of formula, that is condensed formula. In this condensed formula, we go for the condensed formula. We take some little bit longer example for the condensed formula. If the compound has given to you people, suppose one compound has given, that is CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. They are given this compound. They are going to be asked write the condensed formula of the given organic compound. This compound is condensed formula. Condensed formula the bond we are not going to be represent. Bond na represent madalla. Adar jotege ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. We are going to be written as the condensed formula. We are going to, what is the name of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's having the 5 carbons, pentane. The name of this compound is pentane. This we are going to be represented by, that is the CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Yeah, bonds we are not representing in between the carbon atoms. Sometimes we can also be written in the condensed form. Same groups. ಯಾವ the same groups? ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2, CH2, CH2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 group ಇದೆ. Okay, it's having the same groups that we are going to be written once, and the number of same groups we are going to be written as a subscript. You are going to be written as a number is going to be written as a subscript. Means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, CH3 ನ as it is ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರಬೇಕು, CH2 ಇದೆ. ಈ CH2 ನ 3 ಸತಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ CH2 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ CH2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 1 2 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ನಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. CH2 that represent the CH2, we should repeat the 3 times. Then again CH3, again CH3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ CH3 twice ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Strong. That is the condensed formula of this compound. Condensed formula of the compound. Sometimes if it is going to be given like this, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, then Cl, CH2, CH2, CH. Like this they are given. ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, how you are going to be written, that is CH3 ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ. CH2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is CH2 twice ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Then again the CH, Cl, again it's having that the CH2 twice, then CH. This is about the condensed formula of this compound. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ we'll discuss about the third type, that is the bond line representation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ನ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ we are going to be written as bonds between them. That also we are written in the zigzag manner. Zigzag manner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. That corner is going to be represent that the carbon, that is then that is our number of hydrogen is going to be, we should satisfy with the valency of the carbon. Suppose they are given that the xn ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is xn ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that is xn means 6 carbon atoms. A means we know that these are alkane, this is consisting of the single bonds. That is first we are going to take an example, that is the xn. Xn we are going to represent, that is the formula of xn is, that is CH3 CH2 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 CH. This is about the xn formula. This we should represent in the bond line representation. Bond line representation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are going to be use the bond. We are not representing the hydrogen atoms ಮತ್ತೆ carbon atoms ನ represent ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ, this is the first carbon. This is about the first carbon. 1 2 second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, that is the fifth carbon, then sixth carbon. Means this points is that it is going to be represents the carbons. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 4 ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. it should be surrounded by the 4 bonds. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, 1 ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. both the sides have 2 bonds. Means this side one bond, another side is another bond. Means we should take the another 2 hydrogen atoms. We should consider this carbon is attached to the 2 hydrogen atoms. Same ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ 2 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH3 CH2 CH Br CH2 CH2 CH ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಇದೆ. 6 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 3 4 5 6 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಚೈನ್ ಮುಗಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. ದೆನ್ ಈ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಹೆಟೆರಾಯ್ಡ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಹೆಟೆರಾಯ್ಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ is attached to which carbon we should be mentioned. First 1 2 3 means third carbon is attached. 1 2 3 this carbon attached to the bromine. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Either you are written above this no problem. You should draw the double bond and you should represent. Suppose another one. If it is consisting of the double bond, CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. How many number of carbon atoms is 5? That we are going to be written first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double bond. First 1, 2, 3. Third carbon and fourth carbon consisting of the double bond. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 4. In between them is having the double bond. That we are going to be draw the another dash that is going to be representing the double bond. That indicates the bond line representation of this compound. Suppose another example. We will take that another example. That is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, then CH2, CH2, CH3. Number of carbon atoms 6 again. You should draw the 6 carbon. 6 means 5 bonds we should draw. That 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we are written. In this we are going to be third carbon. It is consisting of that is oxygen. Means 1, 2, 3. Third carbon it is having that double bond and oxygen. That we are going to be written. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಹೆಟೆರೋ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಹೆಟೆರೋ ಆಟಮ್ ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ತರ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ 3 carbon atoms in the cyclic manner. This is about the structure of the cyclopropane. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಅದೇ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ನೀವು ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರ. ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ 6 corners and it's going to be represented by double bonds. ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is about the bond line representation. This is about the structure of the benzene. Structure of the benzene. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 bonds surround ಆಗ್ತವೆ. This is about the structure of the benzene. That in the simple manner we are going to represent by like this. Means this is about the bond line representation. Cyclohexane we are going to be written as that is 6. Cyclopentane. This is about the cyclohexane. ಇದು ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, cyclohexane. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರು cyclopentane ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 5 bonds. Cyclopentane is 5. It's having the 5. This is about the bond line representation. In this class, people are learned about the structural representation of the organic compounds. I'll give the few examples for you people. Work out that. If you are getting any doubts, you can ask me.